our faculty coordinators, those who have made lots of effort to make this event successful, deserves a token of appreciation from our management. For that, I would request Pawan sir and Manish sir to give away the certificates of appreciation to all the faculty coordinators. Mr. Vivek Goswami, Ms. Pamela Brover, Mr. Salman Mohammad Qazi, Mr. Amit Thakur, registration would not have been possible without the efforts of Mr. Pawan Yadav, Mr. Deepan Jain, and Mr. Ashish Mohan Yadav. We are thankful to the team of decoration for decorating our auditorium and creation. Kudos to them. I would welcome Ms. Aastha Sharma and Ms. Deepthi Mandya to collect. Ms. Nancy Bish, Ms. Anani Kaur, Ms. Deepa Kamchandani, and Ms. Priyanka Nigam. They deserve a round of applause and they make sure that we all have breakfast and snacks on time. Team of bankers, Ms. Anju Kaur and Ms. Radhika Chandorkar. Aditi ma'am and Priya ma'am. Team responsible for all the mementos, gifts and certificates, Mr. Rajit Nair and Mr. Ghanshyam Dubey. Protocol, Mr. Sunil Khatri, Mr. Dhanranath Singh, and Mr. Naveen Kumar. Our discipline committee for the day, Mr. Rupesh Mehra, Mr. Vineet Sikarwar, and Mr. Mautam Sharma. This is the team behind all the administration. Deepak Chore, Sunil Vanshkar and Devin Khansa. Arranging all the things on that. Now, for appreciating the efforts of the core committee members of Sagar Party, I would request Mr. Pavan Grover, Executive Director, Sagar Group Institution, for distributing the mementos as a token of appreciation to all the members. And for that, I would first request Dr. Manish Villore, Principal Mr. Gandhi Nagar, to receive the mementos from Pavan sir. Vice Principal, Sister Gandhi Nagar. Now we request Swati Ma'am to join Pavan sir and Principal sir for the ceremony. Now we call upon Pradeep Patil sir and Prasad sir for their support and contribution for the event. Oh, they will be arranging lunch for us. Also papers for calling all the participants, all the aspirants from the different colleges. And for that, they deserve a very huge round of applause. And I call upon Mr. Nitin Munchal, Mr. Manish Soni, and Mr. Anuj Tiwari. A very big thanks to the support of IT. So I call Neeraj Singh, Mr. Neeraj Singh, to collect the certificate. Now I call upon the men behind all the lighting, Mr. Piyush Joshi, all the press, media, religions and everything, Mr. Abhishek Chandel. Should not stop clapping for him. Shahrukh, actually he's not here with us, he's in Delhi right now. He was the person who has actually put a lot of efforts, planned and implemented all the marketing strategies that makes all his parents to Sister Gandhi Nagar. Can we have a huge round of applause for him? The person behind online, offline marketing and for the execution part, Ms. Yuvika Nayak.
Very well done, Sumita, and please receive your appreciation from Jyoti Madam.
Yes. And I call upon Mr. Pavan Grover, Executive Director, Savitri Group Institution, for giving me.
Very warm good afternoon all of you. I hope you are enjoying and having a very good time this event Father Star. We have had a lot of interesting discussions, learning discussions, and sharing of experiences from different experts. People came from different sectors, understand, know more about different choices, and probably this initiative of Father Institution would help student community of across Bhopal in making wise career choices and excel in their career, which put their effort day and night to make it possible. It was not very easy to plan this event, coordinate with a lot of people across the country, and then execute it with this success. So I would like to thank, express my gratitude towards whole team which has put in their efforts to make this event a success, and my esteemed guests, especially who came from outside, from different institutions like IIM Calcutta, IIT Bombay, and BK Giri, who came from Sister E, who is a staff member but then discussions with all of you. So one thing which can be another takeaway from this event is that a team can make any event successful, irrespective of which area you are working, irrespective of which stage of life you are at. If you are able to take along people, if you are able to work with people, if you are able to motivate people, I'm sure you can have a very good success, very good events, very good institutions, irrespective of whether you don't have a brand or you have a brand. So this message is very key for us. I would like to highlight, people who really work out of their way, who put in their souls into their work. People like Lokesh, Abhishek Chandel, Astha, Manish Soni, Rupesh Mehta, Nitin, Ajay Kamiti, our principals. So these are the real Indian Piyush, Samir, Ashish, VK Gay. So all these people can really be an example of how do you excel in your professional life. The administration, I'm sure the commitment of Prasad, Deepak, Suraj, Manjeet, Amarpreet, in running excellent food facility for us. Asif, give us strength to think big, to perform big, and to do excellent work in whichever area we are working at. Yuvika and Sumita leading the marketing team. Students like Mikhail, Dipanjan, Gyan. So all these are the people who make the strength of our institution. They are the force behind us, and I'm sure if we keep working in this way, if we keep putting in our efforts in the same way, a day would come when probably we would beat any institution of the country and be, very proud of being member of Sagar family and lead maybe the country in the field of engineering education and in the field of technical education. So thank you all, thank you for the great work, and I hope we would also keep doing such events going forward to give our students best exposure, best opportunities and best guidance to be whatever they want to be in their life. Thank you very much.
A whole Systech family to thank and appreciate the person behind this. The first very thought which came in mind was the person behind this was our ED, Pavan Grover sir, and from our management and complete Systech family. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Pavan sir. He is the person behind this curtain raiser. Thank you very much, sir, for this. Patiently, and we hope that you would have.
Thank you, ma'am. The dignitaries are requested to please go and have their lunch. Thank you so much for joining us. All the dignitaries can make their way for lunch and have lunch. There is an announcement to make. You can collect your participation certificates from the basketball court, and the buses will leave at 2:30. The certificates from the 876. Professor Abhinav Dayal, 8 students are requested to stay behind. Professor Abhinav Dayal will tell you something regarding your placement.